I'm happy to communicate Gear Up for 2025 workshop exclusively designed for trainers and those who would like to become trainer. This is an opportunity for the people, those who are interested to encash their knowledge related to their domain as well as their experience which they possess. This knowledge can be encashed by imparting training to the people, those who are interested in your domain. Apart from this, those who are interested to help to the society, they can also join this workshop. This is full day workshop and this would be organized on 22nd of December 2024 and it's on Sunday. It's full day workshop 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's power packed workshop. So if you are interested, you can connect with me on 8983455885. Best wishes and regards, Dr. Girish Telang. 8983455885. To know details, connect with